Hey guys, welcome to Glams by K-Pie. I'm here today to do a review on this hair that I purchased because I'm going to need this hair for my vacation. And I purchased it from Lush Wig. Came into this box, and what came into the box is a wig cap, which you're going to need, a rat tail comb, and 2 clips. These are essential, guys. So I'm about to do the install on video. So I'm about to clean this area off. I'm gonna clean it off, make sure it's clean, because if it's not clean, guys, your wig is not gonna stay down. So I'm gonna clean it off, and I'm gonna use alcohol. This is like 99% alcohol, and you're just gonna rub the area where you want to lay the wig. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm doing that. And as you can see, I already put some foundation on my cap because I don't want it to show underneath the lace. And then after I'm done cleaning the area, I'm just gonna use my Bold Old lace glue, and I'm just going to go on the area that I've cleaned off. Go right around and smooth that out. Smooth that out. Okay. So I'm just gonna do like 2 layers, guys, because I'm not gonna keep this wig on for today. I just want to do the install for you so you can see how beautiful the hair looks. Okay, so 2 layers, but if you want to have your wig on for a longer time, I suggest you go in and do more layers. Do more layers down here because this is the part that lifts like easily. So I usually do maybe like 3 layers down here. Yes. And after I'm done doing that, guys, I am going to cut my lace. I do not put my wig on before I cut my lace. I always cut my lace first. Some people do it different, but this is how I do it. So I'm about to cut the lace. And you want to make sure when you're cutting your lace that you're cutting it like in a zigzag motion so it lays nice and seamless when you put it on. Okay, so I'll show it to you. Can't show it to you because it's weird. Hey guys, I'm probably gonna cut it straight because usually I'd want to have the hair like stretched out. And then my glue is drying, guys. Do not do this unless you have like a lot of glue on here. Okay, so I'm almost done cutting the lace. Here we go. Okay, so the lace is done cut, and I'm gonna just put the wig on, and I'm gonna make sure it's like even. Even meaning where I want to lay my part. So this looks good. So I'm just going to pull this over like so. Pull this down and press into the hairline. I want to make sure you press. Where's my rat tail comb? This is where rat tail comb comes in. You want to press into the hairline. I don't know, but yep, that feels pretty good to me. And then I'm going to take this side, and then I'm going to pull. And then I'm going to use my comb again and just put that in. Make sure you lay it down flat with the back of the comb. That's what I'm doing, going in. And wherever it doesn't have glue, like I feel like right here needs a little. So I'm gonna put a little there. Wait until that is like dry. I feel like I need a little here as well. This side is good. And what I'm gonna do is, because as you can see, the lace doesn't blend with my skin, so I'm just gonna use my brush and tap that in so it blends. Blends just a little bit more. Put this one down, and I usually go in with my blow dryer. But we're not going to use any blow dryer today because I don't want the lace to be on for a long time. Okay, so the wig is on, guys. It's on. And I'm just going to brush it out. Comb it out a little bit so it looks nice and cute. I think I need to like blend this side a little bit more. Brush all of that. Oh my god, this thing is white. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some baby hairs because I feel like having a little baby hair would be a little bit better for me. So let's see if I can do that. So I'm just going to take out a little bit right here. Like right here. Just a little bit. Oh my god, you see all that flake on the hair? That's from me like putting a lot of products on the hair. Okay, baby hair. Okay, that's what I was gonna do. So I'm gonna just do a little baby hair, not a lot, just a little bit. I'm just gonna cut this off like right here. And then I'm gonna get my got2b. Put a little bit on there, not a lot, just a little bit. Cause this thing gets crazy sometimes. I'm not like really a baby hair type of girl. I'm not big on baby hairs. I don't even know how to make them really. But I'm just gonna do a few. Just so it looks more, you know, natural. I think I'm making a mess, guys. So not a lot, just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit right here. Comb that out. I'm just gonna trim this down. Take this out. Brush it. to trim a little bit more off. I think that's good enough. What do you think, guys? Put a little oil on her because she looks a little bit dry. So yes, guys, as you see, it's not very hard to do the install. It's super duper easy, and as I said, the wig is pretty soft and I love it. Yeah. I mean, you can pluck your edges a little bit more. I don't like my edges to be plucked super hard or too much plucking, because I feel like I need to preserve my wigs, you know what I mean? I need them to last me for a while, and I feel like if you pluck too much, you're gonna like lose out on your lace. Your lace is gonna like have a lot of what you call it, holes in it too quick. So yeah, I'm just gonna dab my brush here a little bit more, because as you can see, it's not blending as much as I want it to blend, but I think that's good enough. I think that's perfect. Yes, guys. So yeah, I think I'm also gonna color this wig, because as you can see, it's super dark and I don't know. So yeah, you can bleach it. I'm gonna do another tutorial on it when I bleach it, but for now, I think I actually like this wig. It's nice. The lace fits from ear to ear. It's not like some wigs where when you purchase it, it doesn't fit. It fits nicely. It's soft, as I said before. The density is full, as you can see. So yeah, there you go. All right, guys, so take care and have yourselves a great day.